Welcome to the lesson. Class is in session. Hi, my name is Jesse. Welcome back to SEO College, talking about the Money Robot tool. This is the Money Robot tutorial where we're talking about actually using the Money Robot tool. On the back end here, I'm actually running some Google ads and we're making a lot of money, but we're also going to be talking about how to use the Money Robot tool for organic strategies. If you want to learn how to actually utilize the Money Robot tool, make sure to book a call with me. The link is in the description, also in the comments. It's a free strategy session where we go over your project and how to make more sales, how to rank without the pain of not making sales. Okay guys, so I'm going to jump into our Money Robot tool right here so you can learn a little bit about how to create a sustainable income stream and how to actually get more sales with the Money Robot tool here. So this is the back end of our Money Robot tool. We're actually running some campaigns and I'm going to show you exactly how to run a great campaign for your offers. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump into my blog right here. This blog is 100% automated and it's creating articles as we speak. It's literally it literally just created this blog as we're speaking. I didn't touch this. It just created this blog automatically as I record this video, which is insane. And this is something that you learn in our premium program. So if you want to access to that, you have to book a call with me and I'll show you exactly how to build an auto blog yourself, so you don't have to worry about the trouble of paying for software or having to worry about auto blogging, this or that, making it very hard for you. This is very simple. I made it very simple, very easy. I actually created this banner right here, you see right here in Canva. So this banner right here, if you click on it, it actually goes to one of my offers on ClickBank and makes me passive income while I'm sleeping. And if I click right here, I'll show you the amount of traffic that we're getting. I literally just created this blog the other day and we're already getting a huge amount of traffic. So right here you see day 1 I was getting a little bit of traffic, day 2, day 3, day 4, which is today, I'm getting a surge in traffic. And as you can see, I'm ranking for a bunch of keywords here. I'm not going to show you the keywords, but so these are some of the keywords here. And all of the traffic here is from United States, Canada, it's from France, it's from all over the world, but mostly Western areas, not like international. So it's quality traffic. These are people that are going to buy, these are people that are going to convert, right? So I'm going to show you exactly how you can go about ranking a article post. So all I need to do is go to my post right here, okay? And then I'm basically going to go to one of my posts right here. So I'm going to click on my website. I'm going to go to my post. I'll go to my latest post actually. And then I'll go to how to get rid of belly fat. This is a perfect post right here, guys. So I'm going to click on how to get rid of belly fat in 5 days. And then I'll basically copy this right here. And then I'll copy this. And I'm going to jump into my tool. This is on a VPS server, so this runs 24/7. I show you this in the strategy call. If you book a call with me, I'll go over how to set up a VPN and how to set up an auto blogging, so you don't have to do anything. You just literally set and forget, and you have a whole bunch of traffic coming to you. And I'll show you exactly how to create a winning affiliate blog so you can actually make money while you're sleeping. So I'm going to click on campaign right here, and I'm going to click on money site, and there you go. I put the URL right here, and then I'm actually going to take the keyword right here. I'll take the keyword. So get rid of belly fat in 7 days, and I'll take that keyword and I'll make that as my campaign name. Perfect. Okay, so I'm going to make this my campaign name. I just want to get rid of the hyphens there. Once I get rid of the hyphens, then we're going to do some keyword research. It's very easy to do this because a lot of other tools make it very complicated, and it's very complex to use a lot of the other tools. However, the Money Robot tool is very simple. I'll show you exactly why. You don't even need to use the keyword planner tool that is on the Google Ads tool. You actually could just put your keyword in here, and just like that, within 10 seconds or less than 10 seconds, within a split second, you have hundreds and hundreds of keywords that are relevant to your blog. All I need to, and all of these keywords are low competition keywords. All I do is copy to a clipboard. I'm going to jump back into my campaign. Okay, so I'm going to jump back into my campaign here, and I'm going to paste that into our keywords to rank for. So the diagram that I'm going to utilize today is going to be SEO Boost Accelerator. This is a one that I created myself. You could feel free to steal this one for me. I actually created this one myself. So I'm going to go down right here, and then basically all you need to do, so the campaign diagram ID is 7B5CD55HU. Okay, so this one is a basically Web 2.0 blogs and Web 2.0 Tier 1 and Tier 2, all pointing to my website. Okay, so it's very powerful and it works. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just run this right here. So this is essentially an article spinner. This article spinner will create maybe 10, 20, 30 variations, sometimes hundreds of variations of an article, in order to shoot it to different articles or different blogs that we have. So it's going to shoot it to our Web 2.0 blogs. It's going to shoot it to our Web 2.1 blogs, our Tier 1, Tier 2 blogs, and then basically we're going to have a whole bunch of traffic that's going back to our website. We spread the submission over a duration of 7 days, and we click run our campaign, and that's it. So basically this is going to be running for a duration of 10 days. And I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like, a T1 blog looks like. So I'm going to click on one of our T1 blogs here. So I'm going to just double click on that, and I'll show you what our T1 blog here looks like. So basically our T1 blog is, I'm just going to go to our browser right here. So a T1 blog basically looks like this. It's pretty damn high good quality, and then what happens is it actually points back to our website. So if I click on this, it actually points back to our website, specifically our blog article. So that's how we have traffic that's generating from our Money Robot all the way back to our blog, and then Google recognizes it on the algorithm that we are getting traffic, therefore promoting us to the first page of Google within a few days, and then we're getting a lot of traffic to our website. So that's how it really works, guys. I hope that you got some value from this. If you want to learn more about how to do this yourself, book a call with me. I'll show you how to set up the VPS. You'll be accepted to our community if you are eligible for a premium program, and we'll go into how to actually, utilize this properly for your campaigns, for your offers, and how to make more money by ranking on the first page of Google. We'll also show you how to set up your Google Ads so you can make more money with your Google Ads. So with that said, I hope you got some value from this. Make sure to leave a like, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and make sure to comment below what are your questions, what are you struggling with in terms of ranking. Let me know. Would love to hear from you, and have a great rest of your day. Take care, guys.